Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the Samsung Internet app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, scroll down to and tap on Apps. In the Apps settings, scroll down to Samsung Internet and tap on it to open the settings. Tap Uninstall at the bottom of the page, then tap OK on the pop-up. The Samsung Internet app will be uninstalled immediately. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.